You can now directly call ChatGPT or chat with it via WhatsApp. The ChatGPT calling feature is only available in the US and Canada for now, but WhatsApp is available globally. You don't need to have an account for accessing the chatbot via calls or WhatsApp. ChatGPT now has a phone number. OpenAI shared this announcement as a part of its 12 Days of OpenAI event, also called As Ship Mass. With the new feature, users will be able to dial ChatGPT directly and also chat with the AI chatbot on WhatsApp via the same number. Both services are available for everybody in regions where ChatGPT is accessible. It's worth noting that WhatsApp already has Meta AI inside the popular instant messaging platform. Users can connect with ChatGPT by dialing 1-800-CHAT-GPT. It's important to note that this is a vanity phone number that follows letters on a keypad to make the number easily memorable. The calling feature is only available in the US and Canada regions for now. Users can talk for up to 15 minutes per phone per month. The number is toll-free and works with any phone. This means that feature phone and even landline users will be able to access ChatGPT via calls. It should also help if the user is facing a poor internet connection and cannot connect to ChatGPT's app or desktop versions. Meanwhile, the ChatGPT support for WhatsApp is available globally. Users need to save this number plus 1-800-2428-478 without the dashes on their devices. The AI chatbot's account on WhatsApp has a verified badge. Users can interact with ChatGPT on the messaging platform in the same way they would on the official website and app. The WhatsApp extension of the chatbot only supports input and output. Other features like analyzing images, uploading PDFs are not available. Its knowledge base is also limited till October 2023, so users may not receive up-to-date information. So go ahead, tech enthusiasts. Add ChatGPT to your WhatsApp and let the smart chatting begin. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And